अमेरिकेच्या न्यूयॉर्क येथे संयुक्त राष्ट्राची महासभा पार पडली असून या महासभेत खासदार तथा ज्येष्ठ विधिज्ञ ॲडव्होकेट उज्ज्वल निकम यांनी भारताचे प्रतिनिधित्व केले असून संयुक्त राष्ट्राच्या मोहिमेत कार्यरत असलेले अधिकारी व तज्ज्ञांकडून होणाऱ्या गुन्ह्यांवर कठोर कारवाई करण्याची मागणी खासदार ॲडव्होकेट उज्ज्वल निकम यांनी महासभेत केली आहे। तसेच भारताची झिरो टॉलरन्स टू क्राईम भूमिका ही महासभेच्या व्यासपीठावर स्पष्ट केली आहे। या संदर्भातली माहिती आज दिनांक 15 ऑक्टोबर रोजी रात्री 8 वाजता माध्यमांना यावेळी प्राप्त झाली आहे।
Name all kinds of crimes committed by them which defeat the purpose and principles of the United Nations. Mr. Chair, the Secretary General reports provides updates to policies and procedures relating to the reporting, investigation, referral and follow-up of credible allegations reverting that a crime may have been committed by the United Nations official or experts on mission and to develop recommendation to help to ensure that the relevant policies and procedures are coherent, systematic and coordinated throughout the United Nations system. We note with appreciation that the reporting mechanism of various UN agencies and treaty bodies emphasizes that leadership, transparency and accountability are essential in eradicating misconduct within the United Nations system. Mr. Chair, the Annex to Report 8270 offers a series of information flow between member states and the UN, which is contained in Part 7 of the Annex in accordance with the Resolution 79-116 of December 2024. Accordingly, member states have provided updates on the status of the investigation, nature of allegations, and notifications related to investigation or prosecutions of crime allegedly committed by the United Nations officials or experts on mission since 1st July 2017. We acknowledge that the primary responsibility to hold perpetrators accountable lies with the member state. Achieving this object can only be realized through collaborative efforts and cooperation between the state and the UN, with each fulfilling their respective roles. It is essential for the United Nations to promptly inform and consult the state of nationality of the alleged offender. Equally important is that state acts swiftly, establishes and exercises jurisdiction, conducts investigation and prosecute when warranted. Mr. Chairman, with regard to India, the extraterritorial jurisdiction conferred by the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023 as outlined in subsection 4 and 5 of section 1 enables the prosecution of Indian national for offences committed outside the country, provided that such act would constitute punishable offences under the BNS, that is Nyaya Sanhita, if committed within India. Additionally, the Indian Extradition Act 1962 governs the extradition of fugitive offenders and related matters. This legislation permits extradition based on the extradition treaty with another state, and in the absence of such treaty, allows for reliance on an international convention as a legal basis for considering extradition request. Mr. Chairman, in conclusion, we would like to reiterate the need for regular contribution to the Secretary General Trust Fund created to assist victims of sexual exploitation and abuse. India has been regularly contributing and hopes that all the member states would do the same. We would like to reiterate that India ascribes to the zero tolerance policy and consider it extremely important that violation of any national or international law by the United Nations officials and experts on mission is properly investigated and prosecuted.